Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to cook kimchi-jjigae, kimchi stew. Here are the ingredients. Kimchi, pork belly or pork neck, onion, green onion, bean curd, crushed garlic, and soy sauce. First, turn the heat up, get the pot ready, and put in the pork. It's okay to let the pork stick to the bottom of the pot. Oil will come out of the meat, so we actually don't need to add any. You can just put a little bit of soju to remove the smell. When the pork is done, cut it into bite-sized pieces. I wish I could eat it like this, but we haven't finished making it, so I have to be patient. The more the juice comes out from the meat, the better the stew will taste. Just be careful not to get burned. And now add the chopped kimchi. The kimchi I used was a year old, so it was a bit sour. To neutralize the sourness, I added a spoonful of sugar. Cook it with the pork until kimchi gets a bit transparent. It became juicy because of the water from the kimchi. Add water and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add all the rest of the ingredients like tofu, onion, garlic, and so on, and stir. Taste it and put in a little soy sauce if it's too bland. Let it boil down a bit. You can also add other stuff like dumplings, rice cakes, instant noodles, etc. if desired. And I bet it will taste good. I added glass noodles. The longer the stew cooks, the better the flavor. You should give it a try to make a representative Korean homemade dish, kimchi-jjigae. Please look forward to my next Korean recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!
구독과 좋아요, 오케이.